Welcome to our video introducing the user interface. My name is John Davis, and I'm the first support employee now available with a face, thanks to AI. Over the next few minutes, I will show you how to find your way around the user interface. Let's get started. Before we begin, simply log in with your personal username and password. If you have forgotten your password, there is a simple solution. Click the small white arrow next to the login button and select Lost Password. A dialog window will now appear where you enter your username and confirm by clicking Submit. ReportServer will then send a new password to your registered email address. The first time you log in with this new password, you will automatically be prompted to set a new password of your own. Please note that there may be password policies in your organization that your new password must meet. Once you are logged in, you will see the clear and structured interface. At the top, you'll find the header menu with the main areas, Dashboard, TeamSpace, and Scheduler. On the right side, you have access to your personal user menu. You also have the option to log out here. The magnifying glass icon next to it is a global search function. The main area you are working in changes depending on which area you select in the header menu. You can also show an additional bar at the bottom, but we won't be using it in this tutorial. Let's take a quick look at your personal user menu. Under Account Details, you can change your personal information and set a new password. In the View area, you can adjust your view settings, and under Dashboard and TeamSpace, you can define what your default dashboard or TeamSpace should be, which will be displayed upon login. After logging in, you'll usually land in the Dashboard module. This module is your very own personal area that only you can see and customize according to your preferences. Here, you can compile individual information pages that give you a quick overview of important data. At the top, you'll see a toolbar. To the left of it, all your available dashboards are shown, while the selected dashboard is in the center. If you haven't created your own dashboard yet, you'll see the empty Standard Dashboard, Default Dashboard. By clicking on the Tools menu in the toolbar, you can manage your dashboards by editing them, adjusting their order, creating new dashboards, importing dashboards, or removing dashboards. To add a new component, a gadget, you click on Add Gadget. A selection of different options opens, such as a report gadget, a URL gadget, or a bookmark. Simply select an option and add it to your dashboard with a click. You can then move the gadgets to any location via drag and drop. On the components themselves, you will find icons with which you can reload them, edit their configurations, or remove the gadget. Next, let's look at the TeamSpace. As the name suggests, this area is intended for team collaboration. Here, you will find a number of reports that have been made available for you and your team. To run a report, simply double-click it. If the report has parameters, you can also control it via the parameters. Once you have run a report, a new option appears at the top, Executed Reports. If you run more reports, they will be displayed in separate tabs below. This makes it easy for you to switch between the reports you have already run. To close a report, simply click on the X symbol on the tab or right-click on the tab and then select the Close this tab option. The last area is the Scheduler. This function is a tool to automate the execution of reports. You can schedule reports to be run at a specific time and have the results sent as an export, for example, via email. When you open the scheduler, you will see an overview on the left of all schedules that you have either created or for which you have been set as a recipient. You can narrow down this list using the filter function in the toolbar. When you select a schedule, the detail view appears on the right half of the screen. This not only shows you general information, but also a history of past executions and the next dates. A double click on a completed execution opens a window with details. In case of execution errors, you will also find information about their cause here. The toolbar in the detail view also allows for an immediate execution. The Load Details button expands the list of past executions into a complete history. Those were the first steps in the ReportServer user interface. You now have an overview of the login, your dashboard, the TeamSpace, and the scheduler. If you have any further questions, just check out our documentation or visit the community forum. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new tutorials. Happy reporting with ReportServer.